Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you one of the best popular traffic sources that you can use for your CPA marketing. I'm going to share with you a step by step. You can watch this full tutorial to learn everything. You do not need to worry about any kind of investment. You can use this traffic source for your CPA marketing in free. But quick disclaimer, this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I do not guarantee any kind of income and results. Your results may vary based on your effort, skills, experience, consistency, and traffic. Before we start, I want you to please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can go on this platform, which I will tell you later. Guys, this is the best and most popular platform. You can use this platform for your CPA marketing. Let me show you its stats. You can see here, this platform is getting more than 24 million visitors monthly. You can see this platform gets more than 52% visitors from United States. This is the best popular platform. Let me show you how you can use this platform. You can click on Add Post button. You can scroll down. You can click on Submit Your Work button. Now click on Sign Up button. You can type here your email address. You can type your full name. You can type your password. You can verify this CAPTCHA. At last, you can click on Sign Up button. You can check your email to verify your email address. Once you will create successfully your account, you will then come to this page. You can click on Submit Your Work button. Now you can upload your any kind of image. You can type your post title. You can type your story. You can upload your image. You can type your image title. You can select your category. You can see there are a lot of categories to choose from. You can choose category according to your CPA offer. You can type your post tags. Now you can paste here your website URL. Guys, you can generate articles using AI platform. You can go on DeepSeek platform and you can type your prompt. You can type here this kind of prompt. Now click here. Here you can see DeepSeek platform has generated articles. You can copy this title. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste here that title. Now you can go on DeepSeek platform. You can copy this text. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste here that text. You can scroll down. Now you can upload your movie poster, or you can click here. You can paste your YouTube video URL. You can go on YouTube and you can search your Tokyo Ninja movie. Guys, I am creating post related to this movie. Here is showing Tokyo Ninja movie in search result. You can click here. You can click on share button. Here is showing URL of this movie. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste here that URL. Click on submit button. Type your video title. Guys, you can create this kind of post. Now you can select your category. You can select your entertainment category. Here is showing entertainment category. Now type your post tags. You can type here this kind of tags. Guys, these tags will work as a keyword. Now you can paste here your website URL. Guys, I have created Google site. I have inserted CPA link on this Google site. You can watch my previous video to learn how to create this kind of Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here is showing Google site URL. Click here to copy this URL. Now you can go on this platform. You can paste your Google site link. At last, you can click on submit button. Yeah, here we go. You can see success. What now? Your post has been submitted. Click on view post button. Here is showing my post. Here is showing title. Here is showing text. And here is showing Google site URL. When any person will click on this URL, then they will be redirected on my Google site. You can see here, my Google site is looking attractive. So guys, you can create here this kind of post. You can create your daily one post. You can add your website link to get visitors from this platform. This platform's name is panda. You can use this platform to get traffic for your CPA marketing. This is a best and popular platform. Guys, if you want to learn about CPA marketing, then you can watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.